In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a Temu seller account. Now, this is a pretty quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, in order to become a seller on Temu, it's not actually done through the Temu website. Originally, I was thinking you could head to the bottom of the page and find a link to actually get taken to the Temu seller page. However, upon looking down here, it is not an option. So how do we go about creating a Temu seller account? So in order to find the Temu seller account sign up page, you must first head over to Google and we're going to have to search for Pinduoduo login. The reason why is because Pinduoduo is actually the parent company behind Temu. So if we want to create a Temu seller account, we will have to do it via here. So we can simply search Pinduoduo login and we'll be able to see this link as the top option. So when you can see this one, you want to go ahead and click on it. Now from there, you'll get taken to this page. And as you can see with Google Chrome, you can actually translate the page. So if I switch this to English, we can now see all of this in English. And as you can see right here, there is a button that says don't have an account yet, sign up now. So if we want to be able to create a Temu seller account, we must first click this button. From there, we can simply enter in our phone number, we can set a password, and we can enter in the 6-digit verification code. Now, the only thing that may be an inconvenience when signing up for a Temu seller account is the phone number. You see, when we click on the area code, it only shows mainland China and Hong Kong, China area codes. So unfortunately, what this means is if you're not located in mainland China or Hong Kong, China, then you won't actually be able to create an account on this page. However, keep watching this video because I will show you another method that we can use. Now, if you're not in the correct location like myself, there is another option. And that involves actually sending an email directly to the Temu seller email. So the email address for Temu is actually seller@temu.com. And we can simply send an email to this email address right here. In the subject, I'm just going to say, I want to become a seller or something along those lines. And you just want to send them an email detailing why you want to become a seller. So you just want to send them an email expressing your interest in becoming a seller. You could say why you'll be a good seller for Temu. And at the end of the email, you also want to request a Temu seller code. From there, if they reply back to you and tell you that you're a good fit to become a Temu seller, then they will actually give you that Temu seller code. And you can then use that code when signing up for a Temu seller account. But unfortunately, if they reply and they say that you're not able to create a seller account, then that means that it will not be possible to create a Temu seller account. So these are both of the ways in which you can create a Temu seller account. I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.